Whakalofa to Mako, welcome back. So guys, I thought I'd say hello, showing you what I'm having for. So what I'm eating, got some berries, frozen berries, some banana, some oats and some protein powder. Protein powder here. Yep, last 7 weeks I've been getting in shape. Was meant to go up north with my family, but they got cancelled because the missus got pneumonia. So now I'm planning ahead now. Our family's going to RARO for a friend's wedding. My missus' best friend's getting married in RARO, so that's something else I'm gonna get in shape for. Yeah, newer bodybuilders coming back. Well, shout out to Paul Lolo here for keeping me on my toes, you know. He's looking ripped and Aussie. He had a massive transformation and he's been telling me, bro, get in shape. So, and to my workout crew, Summer and Joe. I'm part of another crew of them. But anyway, so now, last 7 weeks I've kind of toned down. My jeans are getting a bit bigger. I can button up my jeans nicely without having to suck in the stomach. That's good. If you can tell, I'm looking pretty leaner now. Got the look, yeah. To have a nice physique when we go to RARO, and then not long after RARO we're going to Fiji on a boat cruise for my mom's 70th. So yeah, it seems like a long way away. It's like 3.5 months, 4 months, but that time goes fast, and that's the time, that's how long it takes to get your body used to the new physique. What I've noticed now is that my energy levels are getting low, so I'm feeling a bit more tired, and sometimes my thinking's a bit slow, but it's because the carbs are a bit low. But that just means I need to have another meal late to pick me up. So that's how I know my diet's working, because I'm feeling a bit more tired. It's a bit weird, eh? Like you get more in shape, you kind of have less energy, but that's how it goes because you're on a bit of a deficit. But yeah, nah, physique's going good. I'm gonna try and make my physique look even better. Yeah, but with family life, kids, work, it's harder because I got other people that are dependent on me. But I'm not gonna let that be an excuse. I'm still gonna make sure every meal I eat is clean. And with my energy levels, I just gotta eat clean food, but more of it. Sounds simple, but when you're feeding 5 people and cost of living, as we know, is going up, it's kind of tight on the budget. But yeah, just have to find a way. So that's me rambling from here. I'm gonna go to the gym, take my camera, might interview some people in the gym, who knows, but I'll just show you what I do in the gym. Hope you guys are reaching your goals and doing things for yourself. Thanks for following, appreciate it. We'll see you soon. Okay, mafala, butolokia. Yo, made it to the gym. Decided gonna train shoulders and biceps. Might train the front, side, and back deltoid, and maybe some traps. And then for arms, we'll see. There's only 2 parts of the bicep, I think. So yeah, I'm gonna do lateral raises, front raises, and rear raises. This is gonna be the start. Training. I don't take pre-workout, so like, you know, my energy levels isn't like crazy amped. It's just pure hard work and doing something on a natural energy buzz, not on a pre-workout buzz. So yeah, okay, bowler, if you're watching out here, we're gonna get started come June when we get a RARO. Hoping I'll be in tip-top shape. Okay, whakaoe, kia monuina. Well, finished the workout, shoulders and biceps. Whew, good workout. I can feel my energy levels have changed now that I've set a goal. Just training a bit harder, and a bit more focused. I hope this same energy is here tomorrow. Don't want to be that hard today and then soft tomorrow. But yeah, all good, all good. So now done the workout, you know, ate the food, done the work. Now I just got to make sure the next meal is as clean as the last one, Try avoid cheat meals, but when I'm low on energy, I'll either double my meal or I'll have a meal that's not on the list. But yeah, sometimes, oh yeah, no, all the time when I have lots of chocolate or something like that, my energies pick up, and then I just work it off, you know, in the next couple of days. So yeah, whatever works, Yep, so I'm gonna go home, shower up, pick up the kids, and then go to netball, do some more cardio. Alright, kia monuina. Yo, food time, got my carrots, my bok choy, and ooh, got some mamoi. This has been going on for 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 5 hours slow cooking. So the meat, look at that, the meat's just falling off. This is cheap meat. Look at this, this is falling off the bone. Cheap meat lamb, and it's not exactly the leanest and fat, but hey, protein's protein, I might even throw in these corn. But yeah, that's dinner for tonight for the family. Bok choy, carrots, corn, and then I got my garlic, onion, and ginger. If you look in there, man, smells good, man. Salt and pepper. Usually I used to do with rice, but man, my family just like to eat the soup by itself. So all goods. We all got that bodybuilder mentality, cutting down on the carbs. So yeah, that's dinner. Easy. Whakalawhatu. Hey, Osie netball, just finished the netball. I'm back. Man, it was a hard game. Man, it's so hot inside, no aircon, FA aircon. And by the last quarter, it's hard to breathe, So hot. Smashing the lamb now. Lamb soup. Man, it's good to go train, come back and have something ready to eat. That's the best. So yeah, that's me. After our game, went and had a cold shower. Physique's looking good. Now I just got to keep at it. My sister's in New Way at the moment. My psychologist sister, and my other brother Hayden. He's in Fiji with his wife. They usually play netball with us, but they went there, so it's just me, Steph, and Moma Stevenson, Johnny, and Johnny's parents. But yeah, as for the meal, keeping it clean. I got no like bread or rice, that type of carb. Just got veggies and meat. That's gonna get me to the promised land. So yeah, go ahead na ia. Hope you enjoyed that little snippet of how to get in shape. It's expensive, you know, just eating meat and veggies, but it's worth it if you can afford it. But if you can't, all good. Just do what you can. Okay. Hopefully in my future videos I'll have some before and after pics. Okay, kia monuina, koe kia. Yo, kai pongi pongi. Osi e laka hui e pongi pongi nei. Si hongeo. Ka mata whakamua e kai aho nei ko e puaka. Kai puaka e pongi pongi nei. Whakao e